This video brings us to the third page where we have questions like this, where you're given a point and a slope, and we want to find the equation of the line that has those properties. And we're going to draw it after we find it algebraically, like I did in video number 7, in the part 7 video. So the slope here is 1/4, and here's our generic model. Y equals mx plus b, or we could say y equals the slope times x plus the y value of the y-intercept. So we've got the slope, we can put that in right away. We can write y equals 1/4 x plus b, and that's a good part of the answer right there. All we need now is the number for b. And to get the number for b, we use these values, 8 for x, 7 for y. It's got to go through this point, so it's got to work for plugging in 8 for x and 7 for y for some certain b value. I plug in the 7 where the y used to be, and I plug in the 8 where the x used to be. And now it's all numbers except for the b. We can solve this for b. 7 equals 1/4 times 8 is the same as 1/4 of 8, which is 2. And then if we take away 2 from both sides, we get 5 for b. So now we go back up here and finish the job. Instead of 1/4 x plus b, I can write 1/4 x plus, what did we just say b is? 5. There's the answer. Y equals 1/4 x plus 5. That's the equation of the line that goes through the point 8, 7 and has a slope of 1/4. Now we can prove it to ourselves by drawing it. Let me get this out of the way a little bit. If I start at the point 8, 7, 8, 7 is way up over here, and the slope of positive 1/4 means the line's going to go uphill with the rise over run being 1/4. So there's no room going up this way, so I'll do it backwards. I'll go down 1 and to the left 4. That puts me right there. Do it again, down 1 and to the left 4. Now I'm hitting the y-axis. And I'll do it again, down 1, left 4, one more time, and then we're out of room. Here's the line with a slope of positive 1/4, and it's going through the point 8, 7. There's 8, 7 right there. And notice that where we went through the y-axis matches with the answer we got with our algebra work. See, there's the origin, there's 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the y-intercept. Okay, so I'm going to do one more, and then I think the video is going to get a little too lengthy, but we'll see how long this next one takes. Number 2, we're going through the point -6, 1, and the slope is positive 1/2. So if I write y equals 1/2 x plus b, there's my partial answer, and now I plug in these values for x and y. Remember, 1 is the y replacement, and the -6 replaces the x, and then a half of -6, or half times -6 is -3. And if I add 3 to both sides, I get 4 for the value of b. So the complete equation would be y equals 1/2 x plus 4. It was a positive 4. Y equals 1/2 x plus 4. Now, let me do this one. Let me prove that this is correct this way. I'm going to start at that y-intercept 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then using the slope of positive 1/2, I go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, again and again and again, or down 1 and to the left 2, again and again and again. And there's the complete line. There's the line with a slope of 1/2 and a y-intercept of 4. Now, what was the other requirement for this answer? It's supposed to go through the point -6, 1. Where's -6, 1? -2, -4, -6, and there, notice it went exactly where it was supposed to go, through the point -6 for x, 1 for y. Okay, so now we're up to 5.5 minutes. I'm going to stop here. I'll do number 3 and 4 and 5 in the next video.